Hello everyone, welcome back to Take It Simple. Today I'll be guiding you through how you can create a new Outlook account. Watch the video till the end to learn how and subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet. Don't forget to press the bell icon so that you'll be notified as soon as we post a new video. Click open your web browser and type in outlook.live.com. Hit the enter on your keyboard and you'll be taken to the official website of Microsoft Outlook, which looks like this. To create a new account, simply click on Create a Free Account right here. Now to create an account, enter a new email address that you would want to use for your Outlook account. Type in whatever you want to and click on the Next button. If the email address is not available, then you'll see this kind of a message in red. If someone has already taken the email address, and you won't be able to create a new account with the same email address. So make sure to type in a unique email for your Outlook. After you click on the Next button, you'll need to create a password for your account. Type in a password you'd want to use. After you're done, if you want information, tips, and offers about Microsoft products, then click on this box right here. If not, just leave it as it is and click on the Next button. Now on the next page, you'll need to enter your first name and then your last name. Click on the Next button. After you're done and on the next page, select your country or region from the drop-down menu. Now select your date of birth, your month and your day, and after you're done, click Next. Now you need to solve the puzzle so that Microsoft knows that you are not a robot. Click on Next to do so. Now tap on the arrows to rotate the image. That should be easy. After you're done, click Done. Similarly, this one too. After you're done verifying yourself, you'll see this checkbox right here. As you can see that I have created myself an Outlook account. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, going ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or feedback for us. I'll surely be back again with more tutorial episodes. Thank you for watching.